Hi, my name is Gavin Yap. I'm an actor, writer, and filmmaker. And in this episode, we're going to take a look at the low light feature on all Huawei smartphones. This is a great feature to have if you happen to be shooting in a location that has minimal lighting. For example, if you're shooting in a dimly lit street or a dimly lit restaurant, this feature is perfect for that. How to shoot low light on a Huawei smartphone. So you go to camera, and it'll immediately go to video, but that's all preset. So if you want more options, go to Pro, and then make sure you choose the filming option, adjust your ISO, and this should just give you an idea of, what you can play with here, right? See this? So we don't want it to be this dark. We want to have a little bit more light on it. And once you have the visual that you want, just hit record. If you're not shooting with much of a budget and you don't have access to a lot of lighting, then that's when a feature like this really comes in handy. For example, if your main character is stressed out and he's working late at night, everyone else has gone home, all the lights are off, the only light source is his laptop monitor. In a moment like that, a feature like this will really come in handy to bring out the details of what your character is going through in that moment. In other words, it's all about having the right tool at the right time to help you capture the right moment.